Because the way this girl belittles Edo and Izzy go dey shout, I be a shower, I be Benin girl. I be a shower, I be Benin girl. That thing she's saying is a trait. That's the truth. So deliver Izzy to me like goat. Now me and she get saga. Make she no turn am to tribal war. Use rope, give me Izzy. I won't train her. Since I'm man who give her home training, I go train Izzy for her. This is just me telling all the Edos and all the Benis, make her calm down. I didn't insult you guys. I only told Izzy that she should use her story to teach the younger ones. I also called very dark man. Very dark man, you do a shower, you know, work. Use it to liberate young people now. Because there are lots of young girls that they are trafficking. It's called child trafficking. They do not even know that they are trafficking them. Izzy, obey they do a shower, she no blue. But there are lots of women that the institution that are still good. I marry a Edo man. And my ex-husband, fine, gone. If you see my first son, he fine. But the reason why I divorced the Edo man is because he get bad character. You won't use BT Kim in our run. I have Edo friends. I have Benin friends. No mind Izzy. She just won't instigate tribal war. So my lovers, tell Izzy say
hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, I know say many of you don't miss me so much. I not vex, I know say I just give birth and so I know say no easy. Throughout the pregnancy, come born now, it's not easy at all. So I not feel do video ever since. I really just like did down somehow. My phone constantly get fault, you know. So and my phone get as it be this period. And I know God still touch one person in mind for this my platform. Still want to help me with phone because my phone gets the way it be now. I really need a good phone when I go to use for now. But anybody who could help me, I will still appreciate them, you know. So my people, man talk for this Izzy and blessing matter with the trade. You know, some things they provoke me, you know. Izzy, this your own don't pass through me, like seriously. Number one, this matter where you carry, it not concern you. This matter not concern you. Now, what do they call them? Blessing and what do they call this our Edo brother? The very dark man. And they get wahala. You carry the matter now. You carry and put for your head, not reach you. Why it be say? I don't understand. If something happen, don't say, may we fight for our Edo sister. May we fight for which Edo sister? Edo sister where they disgrace una every day. None of one fight for. Edo sister where go just come out for live video. They say na gbola. If you not be gbola, if you sit down on top of gbola, if you not fair do gbola when you fair come live before. Easy. You know fair do gbola. What do you use your mouth talk? Now blessing they tell you. My people. Blessing say Edo people, they know them as every time Izzy go come out. Na gbola. If not be gbola, if you're not there alive, now this, now that, in a igbiagia, in a this one, man, not use them for English word. In a igbiagia, now only one I be igbiagia. This, that, oh, you they bring Edo people down every day. Every day they bring Edo people down every day. Izzy make us come out for social media. Izzy the jogodo with man. He come out. Izzy not deny. Izzy say na he even day he found a page make una go find out there. If Ibo come out, he go able to say no, na my boyfriend do I do one with you. He goes lick and come out to he go see if I way to deny. Edo na they different. The very dark man won't come and they say now what thing they do in the send and give people to. So what you not can expect if a blessing come talk and say Edo people. Only say you not put on away for talk say some Edo people. And let them for make mistake. So more we don't see truth for this matter. Because they say, man, we fight for our Edo sister. We fight for our which Edo sister? Edo sister where they bring on down every day. Edo sister where don't know whether or not they exist. Edo sister where use the math. Una remember say Izzy say marry one small boy for his house. This say Izzy use the math to say he it will be easy. So when he go Italy, go do show. Say he carry some condoms follow body, my people. He promise his husband say, I not go to sleep with Nigeria guys who again no. But you see Zimbabwe and Togo, other tribe men, I go see the jogodo with them more because I know they use their notomos they play. Why you not marry one of them? We can't be say you can't go marry Yoruba, you can't begin to misbehave. See the jogodo, your husband will not reach you. So if they can't call now, they are gonna call the same fight for my Edo sister. God forbid, may God not let me fight for Mumu Edo sister. May God not let me fight for Mumu Edo sister. I not join Izzy for this one. No. Now blessing, now join. Yes, now blessing. Kind nonsense every time. Una go join with Edo, na can't do that thing. Pass some Edo people. They know the evil shame. I be Edo. I be the other one. The other one that time. I be ni made them talk. If they want carry bekus come out everything. Una not the shame. Eh? My mama put the video where blessed talk.
Because the way this girl belittles Edo and Izzy go dey shout, I be a shower, I be Benin girl. I be a shower, I be Benin girl. That thing she's saying is a trait. That's the truth. So deliver Izzy to me like goat. Now me and she get saga. Make she no turn am to tribal war. Use rope, give me Izzy. I want train her. Since a man who give her home training, I go train Izzy for her. This is just me telling all the Edos and all the Benis, make una calm down. I didn't insult you guys. I only told Izzy that she should use her story to teach the younger ones. I also called Very Dark Man. Very Dark Man, you do a shower, you know, work. Use it to liberate young people now. Because there are lots of young girls that they are trafficking. It's called child trafficking. They do not even know that they are trafficking them. Izzy, obey they do a shower, she no blow. But there are lots of women that that are still good. I marry a Edo man. And my ex-husband fine, gone. If you see my first son, he fine. But the reason why I divorced the Edo man is because he get bad character. You won't use BT Kim in our run. I have Edo friends. I have Benin friends. No mind Izzy. She just want instigate tribal war. So my lovers, tell Izzy say, may she come. May she leave Benin. Come face me. I'm not done with her. I'm not done with her. Now when she finish, now I go start. Anyway, shout out to all my Benin and to all my Edo. This saga now between me and Izzy Obede. Leave the fight for us. Make una enjoy content. Izzy Obede and me, we are making money on Facebook. No poo body. We dey cash out. Make sure they do our own. Make her they do my own. Your work now to get data. Enjoy content. Somebody said damage control. You guys should know me by now. I don't do damage control. The only problem is that so many of you are so foolish on the internet. Go to my Facebook. You go see what's in the talk. I don't fear anybody, Papa. I'm not. But I don't want Izzy to instigate a tribal war. I don't fear una Papa. This one where some people they shout if you come Edo State, you cannot do nothing. I go enter Edo State, you not go do anything. I am doing this for respect for my fans that follow me. For people who felt offended. Now Izzy, they lie, they instigate them. They go cut the voice note. If you go my Facebook, you go see the live. It's a full live video of 1 hour. This one they tell me damage control. I be like person where they fear your Papa. If I won't call you, I go call you. Not do nothing. I'm doing this for my fans. And I'm doing this for the responsible and hardworking Benin people. I did not generalize. I said some. That was what I said. I used the word very few. I didn't say everybody. I love you guys. And if you're not on Facebook, guys, now Facebook now in the saga the sweet. Rush go Facebook. Now there the bass boost the apple. Instagram, not the apple for you. Enter Facebook. Now there I go tie Izzy like goat. Somebody said apologies again. Now let me tell you something. Apology doesn't make you small. Apology actually makes you a bigger person. I told you that some of you are very silly and very stupid. Saying sorry doesn't make you small. No. Saying sorry makes you the bigger person. That's why